Hello, DLP 110. I know you were all interested, and a couple of you asked me how you submit your materials from yesterday, so I just wanted to record a quick video just to let you know how to do it. So you come here to your Mildred Ellie dashboard inside Moodle. You go to DLP 110, your class, and you're turning your work in for week 1. So you come down here to Assignment Module 1, click on this. And now you have the Add Submission button. This is where you add those 3 documents that we created, 2 in class and then 1 at home, or if you did all 3 at home. The sea turtle, the rainforest, and your homework, the melon facts. So when I click Add Submission, I get this box. You can press this little button in the corner that says Add. And then a box comes up to choose your file. Remember, I put everything in my desktop in my DLP folder under week 1. So here are the items that I want to upload. So you go ahead and you click the one you want, and you click upload this file. Now you come back here to this add button because we have to add 3, correct? So then I'm going to add sea turtle, and I'm going to upload this file. And I know this isn't the correct file, but for those of you doing things with PDFs, you can click that as well. So you just kind of repeat the process 3 times. Now you can see I have all 3 documents created. So all I need to do is hit Save Changes, and my work has now been submitted. And you can see under File Submissions that I did 1, 2, 3 files. Now I have everything I need. If you selected the wrong files or you need to make changes, just go to Edit Submission. You can easily click on the file and you can delete it if you no longer want to send me that file. Or you can click the button and choose a new file to upload to our class. And you can choose to overwrite it. So now I have all the documents that I have. Again, I hit Save Changes, and I can see my file submission. So now when I go into grade, I will have all your individual documents. I hope this helps, and please email me if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye, guys.